Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world of trading and investing. Today, we're going to break down one of the most popular and powerful tools in technical analysis, the RSI trading indicator. So, what is RSI? RSI stands for Relative Strength Index, and it's a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. Developed by J. Wells Wilder in 1978, the RSI ranges from 0 to 100 and helps traders identify overbought or oversold conditions in a market. RSI values help identify overbought and oversold conditions. When the RSI is above 70, it suggests that the asset might be overbought. When it's below 30, it indicates that the asset might be oversold. Now we add the RSI in our chart. Here we use TradingView, but you can use the RSI on all other trading programs like MetaTrader and more. Now we put RSI in the search field and click on Relative Strength Index. Here I suggest you some good settings where you can copy. The RSI setting is mostly the same on all platforms. Also, you can change the RSI settings. What can make the trading signals better? And here I put 10. You can see on GBP USD is now the RSI indicator more secure. Now, how can you use RSI in your trading strategy? There are several ways to use RSI, using RSI to identify overbought and oversold conditions. As we mentioned earlier, an RSI above 70 suggests overbought conditions, and below 30 suggests oversold conditions. Traders often look for these levels to enter or exit trades. For instance, if the RSI drops below 30 and then crosses back above it, that might be a signal to buy. If the RSI goes above 70 and then crosses back below it, that might be a signal to sell. Here's an example. For a buy trade, the RSI crossed below 30. Now above the 30 line, and this is our buy signal. For a sell trade, the RSI crossed from above 70 now below the 70 line, and this is our sell signal. Important is if you use a higher time frame, the trade can be more safe for a buy and sell signal. And if you combine RSI in a higher time frame, plus a other indicator, you can have a very good trading signal. Also, I want to show you now which settings we can change to have a better success rate. Important is here. This setting is just for the market where we see now in our example, for a time period of 30, 60 days. In the next months or years is a other setting may be better. You can change the settings and see how successful it was in the past. In this process, you can find a very good setting for the next 30, 60 days. Important is if you use a higher time frame, the trade can be more safe for a buy and sell signal. And if you combine RSI in a higher time frame plus other indicator, you can have a very good trading signal. Lastly, combining RSI with moving averages can enhance your trading strategy. And I want to repeat that if you use a higher time frame, your RSI signal can have a better success rate. For example, you might look for buy signals when the RSI is oversold and the price is above the 200-day moving average, indicating an overall uptrend. Here's a chart showing how you can combine these indicators to filter out false signals and improve your trade entries and exits. This is a buy trade RSI plus moving average. You can clearly see the moving average is in the uptrend, and the RSI show us a buy signal. Both indicators show us a trade signal in the up direction. This means the signal is confirmed. Now, we look again for a trading signal. The moving average show us a downtrend. The RSI show us a buy signal. Both indicators have not the same direction. This means this signal is not confirmed. Before we wrap up, let's go over some common mistakes traders make with RSI and some tips to avoid them. One common mistake is relying solely on RSI without considering other factors like overall trend, support, and resistance levels, or other indicators. It's also important not to assume that overbought means the price will immediately drop, or that oversold means the price will immediately rise. Instead, use RSI as a confirmation tool, along with other analysis techniques. Remember, no indicator is foolproof, and trading always involves risk. That's it for today's video on the RSI trading indicator. I hope you found this explanation helpful and that you can apply these insights to your trading strategies. If you have any questions or want to see more videos on trading topics, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future content. Thanks for watching and happy trading.